Our planet pulsates with life, a symphony of vibrant organisms in every corner. From the towering redwoods to the microscopic bacteria in our gut, life exists in a breathtaking array of forms. Each species, a unique melody in this grand orchestra, plays a crucial role in the delicate balance of our ecosystems. We, as humans, are deeply intertwined with this web of life, relying on it for our survival and drawing inspiration from its boundless beauty. Imagine the lush Amazon rainforest, a treasure trove of biodiversity. Monkeys swing through the canopy, their calls echoing through the dense foliage. Below, jaguars stalk their prey, while colorful macaws flit through the trees. In the undergrowth, insects hum, their tiny legs carrying them on their vital missions. Each organism, from the smallest ant to the largest predator, contributes to the intricate tapestry of life in this remarkable habitat. Venturing into the ocean, we encounter a different kind of wonderland. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, explode with color and activity. Fish, adorned in dazzling hues, dart among the coral branches. Sea turtles glide gracefully, their ancient eyes witnessing the ebb and flow of life. Even the seemingly barren desert teems with creatures uniquely adapted to survive in this harsh environment. The diversity of life on Earth is a testament to the power of evolution, shaping organisms over millions of years to thrive in every imaginable niche. This rich tapestry of life is not just a spectacle to behold, it is the very foundation of our planet's health and our own well-being. What distinguishes a vibrant bird in flight from a rock lying still on the ground? What separates a field of blooming sunflowers from the inanimate soil beneath them? The answer lies in the essence of life itself, a set of characteristics that unites every living organism on Earth. Firstly, living organisms exhibit growth, a continuous process of development and change. A tiny seed sprouts, sending roots into the earth and a shoot towards the sun, eventually blossoming into a mature plant. A human infant, helpless at birth, grows into a child, an adolescent, and finally an adult, their body changing and adapting throughout their lifespan. Reproduction, the ability to create new life, is another hallmark of living organisms. Whether through the scattering of seeds, the laying of eggs, or the nurturing of young within a womb, life finds a way to perpetuate itself, ensuring the continuation of its lineage. This drive to reproduce is encoded deep within the genetic blueprint of every organism, a fundamental instinct passed down through generations. Metabolism encompasses all the chemical reactions that occur within an organism, providing the energy needed for growth, reproduction, and other essential functions. Plants harness the energy of sunlight through photosynthesis, converting it into chemical energy. Animals obtain energy by consuming other organisms, breaking down complex molecules to release the energy stored within. Cellular organization is a fundamental principle of life. All living organisms are composed of cells, the basic building blocks of life. Some organisms, like bacteria, consist of a single cell, while others, like humans, are multicellular, with trillions of cells working together in a coordinated manner. Within each cell, intricate structures carry out specific functions, ensuring the smooth operation of the organism as a whole. Finally, though not fully understood, consciousness, the ability to respond to stimuli and interact with the environment, is a defining characteristic of many living organisms. Animals, in particular, display a wide range of behaviors, from the simple reflexes of a worm to the complex problem-solving abilities of primates. This ability to sense and respond to the world around them allows organisms to navigate their surroundings, find food, avoid danger, and ultimately survive. The Earth teems with an astonishing variety of life, a testament to the power of evolution to shape organisms to fit every niche imaginable. From the icy polar regions to the depths of the oceans, life has conquered every corner of our planet, showcasing an incredible spectrum of adaptations and survival strategies. Let's begin our exploration with the microscopic world, a universe teeming with unseen life. Bacteria, single-celled organisms found in virtually every environment, play a vital role in nutrient cycling and decomposition. Fungi, another diverse group of microorganisms, break down organic matter and form symbiotic relationships with plants, enabling them to access essential nutrients. These microscopic organisms, often overlooked, are essential for maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Moving up the scale, we encounter the plant kingdom, a realm of chlorophyll-rich organisms that harness the sun's energy to produce their food. From towering trees to delicate wildflowers, plants exhibit a stunning array of forms and adaptations. Some, like cacti, have evolved to survive in arid deserts, while others, like water lilies, thrive in aquatic environments. The animal kingdom, perhaps the most familiar to us, explodes with diversity. Insects, the most abundant group of animals on Earth, display an incredible range of forms and behaviors. From the intricate social structures of ants to the dazzling colors of butterflies, insects never cease to amaze. Vertebrates, animals with backbones, include familiar creatures like fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Each group exhibits unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their respective environments. The diversity of life on Earth is not just a spectacle to behold, it is a vital resource for humanity. We rely on this biodiversity for food, medicine, clean air and water, and countless other services. Understanding and protecting this precious heritage is not just an ethical obligation, but a necessity for our own survival and well-being. Section 4. Organizing the Tree of Life, Taxonomy and Binomial Nomenclature. Imagine walking into a library with millions of books, but no system of organization. Finding a specific book would be a near impossible task. Similarly, with millions of species on Earth, understanding and studying life requires a system of classification, a way to organize the vast diversity of organisms into meaningful categories. This is where taxonomy comes in. It is the science of classifying organisms based on their shared characteristics, evolutionary relationships, and genetic similarities. Just like a library uses categories like fiction, non-fiction, and biography, taxonomy groups organisms into a hierarchical structure, starting with broad categories and becoming progressively more specific. At the highest level, life is divided into domains, followed by kingdoms, phyla, classes, orders, families, genera, and finally, species, the most specific classification level. This hierarchical system reflects the evolutionary relationships between organisms, with those grouped together sharing a common ancestor. Now let's consider ourselves humans. We belong to the domain Eukarya, the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Chordata, the class Mammalia, the order Primates, the family Hominidae, the genus Homo, and finally the species Sapiens. This classification tells us a lot about our place in the natural world. For example, being mammals means we have hair, give birth to live young, and produce milk to nourish our offspring. Taxonomy provides a framework for understanding the interconnectedness of life on Earth, revealing the evolutionary relationships between different groups of organisms. It allows scientists to communicate effectively about specific organisms, ensuring clarity and avoiding confusion. However, to truly appreciate the elegance of biological classification, we need to delve into the world of binomial nomenclature. Section 5. Linnaeus's legacy, the power of two names. Before the 18th century, naming organisms was a chaotic affair. Long descriptive Latin phrases were used, often varying from region to region and leading to confusion and ambiguity. Enter Carl Linnaeus, a Swedish botanist who revolutionized the way we name living things. Linnaeus introduced the binomial nomenclature system, a simple yet powerful system for assigning scientific names to organisms. Each species is given a two-part name consisting of the genus name followed by the specific epithet. For example, the scientific name for humans is Homo sapiens, with Homo being the genus and sapiens the specific epithet. This binomial system, like a universal language, transcends geographical and linguistic barriers. Scientists worldwide, regardless of their native tongue, can communicate precisely about a specific organism using its scientific name. This eliminates confusion arising from common names, which can vary widely between regions and cultures. Linnaeus's system, adopted and expanded upon by generations of scientists, brought order to the seemingly chaotic world of biological classification. It provided a framework for organizing the vast diversity of life, revealing the underlying evolutionary relationships between organisms. The power of binomial nomenclature lies in its simplicity and universality. It allows us to name, identify, and communicate about the millions of species inhabiting our planet, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for the interconnectedness of life. Linnaeus's legacy lives on in every scientific paper, every museum exhibit and every field guide, reminding us of the importance of order and clarity in our quest to understand the natural world. Section 6. Windows into the living world. Tools for exploration. Studying the intricate tapestry of life requires more than just keen observation. It demands tools and techniques that allow us to delve deeper into the hidden world of organisms. Over centuries, biologists have developed an array of instruments and methods to investigate, classify, and preserve the wonders of the natural world. Herbariums, like living libraries of plants, house meticulously preserved specimens, each a snapshot in time capturing the plant's morphology and habitat. These dried and pressed plants, carefully mounted on archival paper, provide a wealth of information about plant diversity, distribution, and evolution. Scientists can study these specimens to track changes in plant populations, identify new species, and understand the impact of environmental changes on plant life. Museums, grand repositories of natural history, showcase the awe-inspiring diversity of life on Earth. From dinosaur skeletons to delicately preserved insects, museum collections offer a glimpse into the past, present, and future of life. These institutions not only educate the public about the natural world, but also serve as vital research centers, housing vast collections of specimens that scientists use to study evolution, biodiversity, and the impact of human activities on the planet. Zoological parks, often criticized for keeping animals in captivity, play a crucial role in conservation efforts. By providing a safe haven for endangered species, zoos contribute to breeding programs and research initiatives aimed at preserving biodiversity. These institutions also educate the public about animal behavior, ecology, and the importance of conservation, fostering a sense of responsibility towards the natural world. These are just a few examples of the tools and institutions that enable us to explore the living world. From microscopes that reveal the hidden world of cells to DNA sequencing technologies that unravel the secrets of the genome, biologists continue to develop innovative methods to study and understand the intricate workings of life. Section 7. Our Shared Future, Guardians of Biodiversity. As we delve deeper into the marvels of the living world, we come to a profound realization. The fate of humanity is inextricably linked to the well-being of all life on Earth. Biodiversity, the intricate web of life that sustains our planet, is under threat. Its delicate balance disrupted by human activities. Deforestation, pollution, climate change, and habitat loss are pushing countless species towards extinction, unraveling the very fabric of life that sustains us. This loss of biodiversity not only diminishes the beauty and wonder of our planet, but also threatens our food security, our access to clean air and water, and our resilience to disease. The responsibility to protect this precious heritage falls on all of us. We must become stewards of the living world, advocating for sustainable practices, reducing our ecological footprint, and supporting conservation efforts worldwide. This is not just an altruistic endeavor, but a necessity for our own survival and well-being. Education is paramount. By fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for the natural world, we can inspire future generations to become guardians of biodiversity. We must teach our children about the interconnectedness of life, the importance of conservation, and the power of individual actions to make a difference. The future of life on Earth depends on our choices today. Let us choose to be responsible stewards, protecting the intricate tapestry of life for generations to come. Let us embrace our role as guardians of biodiversity, ensuring that the symphony of life continues to play on its melody, enriching our planet and inspiring awe in the hearts of all who listen.